Hello and welcome back to K&F Design. If you're new here, my name is Katie, and if you could just head down below and hit that like button and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any more fun crafting projects. Today I'm going to be showing you a piece I made for my wedding aisle. It's a flower decoration. I use solar wood flowers, but you could use fake flowers like silkworms or even real flowers, whichever you prefer. I got the frame. It's a metal rectangular frame that I'm setting my piece on from a marketplace, and it was originally black. I spray painted mine rose gold to go with my theme, so that's something you could do, just so you know. It was really pretty easy to spray paint. For my base, I found a flat piece of wood and I cut it down to shape. If you're not planning on leaving it and using it a lot, or like somewhere where it would get wet, you could use like a thick piece of cardboard or something like that as well. And then I just painted it green so it would not show as much. So with that, let's see how I constructed this piece. I decided to paint my wood board green. I used these two different shades of green. You could paint it all one color, but I decided to do both. I also, after pouring my paint down, decided I didn't have to paint the center because the foam's going to be covering it up, but I already applied the paint. So I also did the edges, but I didn't do the back. That's up to you. And then on my greenery, it's a big garland, and so it had these ends with these giant hoops, and I didn't want those showing, so I just trimmed those off. So now I'm going to apply some hot glue and apply my green foam. I'm using a mix of hot glue and Gorilla Glue. Gorilla Glue so it's a stronger bond, and hot glue so it's a quicker bond. I've done my base here. I wrapped the greenery. Now I'm going to fill it in with these, and it has a little stem. So I'm just going to stick it into the foam. And then I have my flowers here, also stemmed, and I will cut these shorter. And then for the sides, I'm going to get some flowers that'll kind of be droopy. I might even use some ruscus and go down the sides with that as well.